Saint Joseph, guide our labor, teach us to trust God's will. In every task, both great and small, may we be faithful still.
When burdens weigh upon us and work is hard to bear, help us to offer all to God in sacrifice and prayer. Protector of all workers, provider kind and just, obtain for us our daily bread. In God we place our trust.
Saint Joseph,